Hey, what's up, guys? So, I was looking for an audio solution where I could record out in the living room a group playing on the Nintendo Switch with my capture card. So, I needed a microphone for that, and I ran across this one. I thought maybe it'll work, maybe it won't, we'll see. Ultimately, it did not work, but I have here kind of like a little review for you so you can see how badly this mic fails and probably discourage you from buying this in the future. Roll the intro. So you'll be greeted first with this very boring box that will reflect the product directly. Not that my expectations are that high anyways, but still. Open the box to find the eBerry condenser microphone. Now this is a conference style microphone, which you probably already know, and it is actually quite small, which doesn't really matter or affect anything, just letting you know it's quite small. And then you have the basic run-of-the-mill user manual. Not that you'd really need it for this. It's just a microphone. Nothing really special to hook up. No special software you need to run it. Just plug it in and it will work. And here are the specs for the eBerry condenser microphone. Now, one thing I'm checking here today is its sound pickup range. It claims to be able to reach 10 feet. And we'll be seeing today how that fares. This is me speaking normally at about 1 foot away. This is me speaking normally at about 1 foot away. This is me speaking normally at about 5 foot away. This is me speaking normally at about 5 foot away. This is me speaking normally at about 10 foot away. This is me speaking normally at about 10 foot away. This is me speaking louder at about 1 foot away. This is me speaking louder at about 1 foot away. This is me speaking louder at about 5 foot away. This is me speaking louder at about 5 foot away. This is me speaking louder at about 10 foot away. This is me speaking louder at about 10 foot away. This is me speaking normally with 30 plus gain at 1 foot away. This is me speaking normally with 30 plus gain at 1 foot away. This is me speaking normally with 30 plus gain at 5 foot away. This is me speaking normally with 30 plus gain at 5 foot away. This is me speaking normally with 30 plus gain at 10 foot away. This is me speaking normally with 30 plus gain at 10 foot away. So, this thing, no good. I'm probably going to be gearing more towards the lavalier mic setup. And when I do, I'll be doing a video on that also. But if you're planning on using the eBerry for anything outside of its use case, and probably even in its use case, I'd probably recommend getting something else. But for now, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you like what I do, and I'll see you on the next one.